Welcome to the enchanting Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, a true gem of the desert. Here, luxury and artistry collide in a breathtaking showcase of elegance and excitement. Experience mesmerizing fountain shows and exquisite dining options, where each moment is uniquely special. So, sit back, relax, and let the captivating charm of the Bellagio guide you on an unforgettable journey. The serene pool area of the Bellagio features 5 stunning Mediterranean-style pools, surrounded by lush gardens and vibrant flowers. Each pool offers a tranquil oasis amid the vibrant energy of Las Vegas. Luxurious cabanas and comfortable sun loungers provide the perfect spots for relaxation and comfort. The sparkling blue waters beckon guests to enjoy refreshing dips, while attentive poolside service offers a selection of signature cocktails and light bites to elevate the experience. With breathtaking views of the iconic Las Vegas Strip, this pool area is the perfect escape for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether lounging in the sun or seeking the comfort of shaded retreats, the pool area at the Bellagio embodies luxury and tranquility. Luxurious guest rooms and lavish suites await you at the Bellagio, each thoughtfully designed with elegant furnishings and breathtaking views of the Las Vegas Strip or the serene Lake Bellagio. Here, comfort meets sophistication, creating a perfect oasis after a day of adventure. Experience breathtaking views of the vibrant Strip or serene gardens. Our spacious rooms, filled with natural light, invite you to relax and unwind in comfort. Discover the Bellagio's luxurious bathrooms, featuring elegant double vanities and modern design. Rejuvenate in tranquil soaking tubs and enjoy high-end finishes that create the ultimate serene retreat for relaxation and comfort. Experience personalized services, including 24-hour room service and attentive concierge support, ensuring every detail is tailored to you. Whether it's a romantic getaway or a fun family escape, we've got you covered. Embark on a culinary adventure at the Bellagio, where dining is an extraordinary experience. Delight in the world-renowned Le Cirque, where classic French cuisine meets artistic presentation. At Sensi, savor innovative dishes inspired by global flavors that captivate your palate. Each restaurant transforms every meal into a celebration of gourmet excellence with flavors that linger long after the last bite. Join us for an unforgettable dining journey where every taste is a moment to relish. Keep fit at our modern fitness center, featuring top-of-the-line equipment and breathtaking views. Experience an energizing workout in a luxurious setting, all while soaking in the beauty of Las Vegas. Step into a tranquil oasis at the spa, where luxury meets relaxation in Las Vegas. Indulge in rejuvenating massages and revitalizing facials inspired by ancient traditions. Unwind in serene relaxation areas, complete with steam rooms and saunas. Whether you seek renewal or peace, this is your ultimate wellness destination. As the sun sets, enter the lively casino, where the excitement comes alive. Experience the dazzling lights, the sounds of ringing slot machines, and the thrill in the air. With a mix of classic and modern games, there's something for everyone. Whether you're chasing jackpots or enjoying the vibrant atmosphere, the night is filled with endless possibilities. As night falls, the Bellagio becomes a dazzling beacon of light and energy. Experience vibrant nightlife with stylish bars that offer stunning views of the Strip and world-class entertainment that sparkles with wonder. Whether you seek relaxation, excitement, or fine dining, the Bellagio promises an unforgettable evening where every corner invites exploration. As the sun sets, the charm of this iconic destination truly shines. Witness the mesmerizing fountain show, where water dances joyfully in sync with harmonious tunes, captivating all who gather to watch. This is a place where every glance unveils a new wonder, and the magic of the night leaves you spellbound. Let the elegance and excitement of the Bellagio sweep you off your feet, inviting you to experience the extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable tour of the Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. We hope you've been inspired by the stunning architecture, captivating fountain shows, and vibrant nightlife that make this destination so remarkable. If you've enjoyed this experience and want to see more luxurious destinations like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest adventures. Your support means everything to us. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and favorite moments from the tour in the comments below. Stay tuned for more incredible journeys as we explore the world's finest hotels, gourmet dining, and unforgettable luxury experiences. Until next time, remember, the magic of the Bellagio is just a taste of the extraordinary Las Vegas waiting for you to discover.